Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best hybrid bikes you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Schwinn Discover Hybrid Bike for Men and Women. The Discover Hybrid Bike speaks volume about Schwinn. It is one of the newest models in the series of the company's bikes, built to last for a very long time. No matter how often you ride it, even on the most unfriendly terrains, Discover can and will last for a very long time before you itch for an upgrade. One of the things that really make Discover Hybrid Bike stand out from the competition is the shock absorption feature. The rear suspension together with the hydraulics on the front makes your ride smooth, even when you ride on terrains with many loopholes. Moreover, the saddle is well padded for extra comfort, so your butts won't start aching during or after a long ride. Schwinn Discover is one of the most affordable hybrid bikes on the market today. Some buyers have previously said that they had expected to pay more for this bike because of the many features, but they actually did get it for cheap. By now, we already know that most hybrid bikes cost $700, maybe even more. However, Schwinn brings you the Discover Hybrid Bike for almost half the price. The bike's name sums up its mojo. Comfort. The padded seat combined with the front shock absorber will give you a smooth, comfortable ride. All in all, this is a great, versatile bike. I wish it had eyelets for a rack or fenders. Number 2. Vilano EVRYjourney Performance Hybrid Road Bike. If you are looking for a bike for a tall person, the Vilano EVRYjourney Performance Hybrid Road Bike is the best choice. The frame is made from aluminum and the stem, seat post and handlebars are made of steel to ensure durability and strength. This allows the bike to support riders who are up to 6 feet tall easily. The saddle of this bike has a rubber base to ensure that you remain comfortable during your ride. Are you a tall man and looking for a hybrid bicycle? I understand how difficult you have experienced in getting a bike that fits. Let's save your valuable time and energy with the Vilano EVRYjourney Performance Hybrid Road Bike. It comes with 2 different frame sizes, which fit most riders from 5 inches to 4 inches, perfect for tall riders. The aluminum frame adds the lightweight, reinforced strength, and the endurability to the product. Top quality Shimano components deliver smooth gear shifting when cycling on different terrains. You can enhance your proper posture with the flat upright handlebar and a padded saddle. Besides, the reliable disc brakes offer excellent stopping power in any condition. Interestingly, this hybrid bike comes at a wallet-friendly price but delivers superior performance. Vilano EVRYjourney is the best hybrid bike that every tall guy needs. Number 3. Schwinn Network Adult Hybrid Bike, 700c Wheels. Schwinn Network Hybrid Bike is absolutely the best hybrid bike for hills that men should have. It embodies an excellent combination of aesthetics, affordability, high-quality construction, and outstanding performance in most rough road conditions. The Schwinn Network is another great option for those looking for a hybrid bike that is able to handle hills pretty well. It features a lightweight and durable aluminum frame that can take on most of the terrains you might encounter on your way. The 22-speed Shimano rear derailleurs are very efficient in changing gears, while the alloy wheels help you deal with bumps on your way. Indeed, this hybrid bicycle is well equipped with a spring-loaded seat, front suspension fork, reliable brakes, and suspension seat post, which are incredible features of a sturdy hybrid bike for hills. All the shocks, impacts, and imperfections from the road could be absorbed utterly to ensure the most comfort, speed, safety, and smooth ride. Besides, it comes with a step-over frame for easy mounting. With the help of a swept-back handlebar and an alloy high-rise stem, you can now cycle in the most comfortable position. If you are looking for the best hybrid bike at an affordable price to conquer all hill roads for your next adventures, Schwinn Network Hybrid Bike will be an excellent choice for you. Let's get fit, have fun, and commute with ease with it. Number 4. 630 EVRYjourney Steel Men's Hybrid Bike. If you are a big guy, the 630 EVRYjourney Steel Men's Hybrid Bike is the best for you. The frame is made from steel, which makes it strong and durable. In addition, this bike has a padded saddle with a suspension to make your ride more comfortable for longer distances. The handlebars and grips are also padded to ensure you remain comfortable while riding. This bike comes in many different sizes to accommodate everyone's height and needs. 630 EVRYjourney Steel Men's Hybrid Bike is the best hybrid bicycle for big guys that most experts recommended. The mechanical configuration, low jumping frame, and other incredible features make this hybrid bike suitable for any situation such as cruising around your area, commuting, riding under bad weather. This hybrid bicycle offers a 7-speed external derailleur, front and rear alloy linear pull brakes. Ideal for those who love casual rides to long-distance commutes. The seat and handlebar are structured to keep riders at the upright position, eliminate the back's pain, and assure the most comfortable regardless of the road surface. EVRYjourney comes with fenders and a rear rack that will protect you from specks of dirt and splashes and provide extra space to transport your luggage. This bike can carry up to 300 pounds, so this is also a very great bike for big guys thanks to solid build, thick tires, and the sturdy structure. Number 5. Schwinn Phocus 1500 Flat Bar Sport Fitness Hybrid Bicycle. Last but absolutely not least is our second feature from Schwinn. Again, they're one of the best manufacturers of affordable, good quality bikes. It seems silly not to offer you a second option from their collection. Allow us to present the Discover. Presented as a unisex bike that's suitable for any gender, it's worth pointing out that in spite of a decent weight limit, gentlemen of an above-average size might prefer to opt for something a little bigger, though there's no harm in trying. Durable and lightweight, the 16 or 18-inch, depending on your preference, frame is fast and furious, but it won't let you down either. A Schwinn suspension fork, alloy crank and adjustable city rise style seat post ensure a comfy ride every time. Swept back and upright, the cleverly designed handlebars mean every rider can find a position that's most appropriate for them. Thanks to the 21-speed SRAM shifter and rear derailleur, you'll have no trouble pedaling harder than ever before either. Stopping is not a problem either, as Promax alloy linear pulled brakes allow you to come to a halt precisely and carefully. No juddering, no bumps, and no strain on your body. This is true even in difficult conditions, so rain is no reason to stay home. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.